You better lay low, so high that I'm wondering where the day go. I'm jealous of Drake cause he stuck his dick in a J-Lo. These hoes think they're angels with halos. Till a week after you fuck them, your dick feel like lava and fuego. Take a moment of silence for a fuck you, Kato. Hit the pussy, make the bitch do the fabo. Put cocaine on her nasal. No, this herb is not basil. Cooking crap like they Rachel Ray. Come from the east to the A. I know some G's in the bay. Cross them, they squeeze in the cake. Ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Bitches that cheese in the bank. Used to be on FB with Hobson and Dizzy. Yeah, Swizz and DJ Hopper know the chop is not friendly. Sending shots to your Bentley. Blah, blah, my soul jaded. And niggas should be smacked if you think pop was overrated. Now back to your scheduled program. I don't fear no man. This is that crap Lamar Odom. Yeah, bitch, you owe him head on the first day. Do it cause it's my birthday. I need meds in the worst way. Buried in dirt, pockets stay on Gerald Levert. Millennial niggas, bitches, now they carry a purse. What the fuck? Hey man, hey, fuck a hook right now, man. Let me just take a moment to say thank you to all the fans, man. Thank y'all for the support. Thank y'all for following the nigga on all these social motherfucking networks, man. Thank y'all for coming out to the shows. I appreciate y'all. Y'all can do anything in the world, but you're wasting your time with me, baby. Jaron motherfucking Benson. Fuck it, I'ma go back in. Should I go back? The fuck, I'm going in. Alright. Yeah. Hey yo, my side hoe is sideshow. Kush got my eyes low. I only count for 49. I don't fuck with 5-0. Everything is fire, pussy nigga. I'm a pyro. Standing by the pyramids in Cairo with a rifle. God bless the trap niggas. What about the rap niggas? I don't dap niggas. I just cop back and slap niggas. Perhaps I'm one of the few niggas in Atlanta that don't stink like Pepe Le Pew. I never cared for reviews. I put your head in the news. The media's a liar. Got these fuck niggas scared of the news. I think I'm better than you. Pistol on me, let them get through. These niggas a bunch of spares. That's what the medicine do.